this video you are going to see how to get the graph paper in Microsoft Word document, as you can see here. Let's get started. Now let us set up the page size. Go to layout, go to size and click on A4. Now go to insert, go to table, go to insert table. Now let us write here number of column to 23 and number of rows to 43 and click on OK. And if you want to add more rows, you can add it by pressing the enter button from here very easily. Click on the table, click on right button, go to table properties, go to table and click on border and shading and choose the color of your choice and click on OK and click on OK. Then the table color will be changed. Now let us zoom out by hold down the Ctrl key and using the mouse. Now go to insert, go to shape, pick a line shape and hold down the shift key to make a straight line and drag it like this. Go to shape format, go to shape outline, go to wide and increase the wide from here. Again go to shape outline and make it the red outline. And let me zoom in, and here you will see this is looking very beautiful. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.